Here in Southern California, we're used to warm weather and sunny skies. Little do we know, a megastorm is lurking. The ARkstorm scenario was presented to the public during the ARkstorm Summit in January of 2011. Little do Californians know, the ARkstorm can cause more economical damage than a major earthquake. Someone who is familiar with the ARkstorm is Dr. Matthew Kirby, Professor of Geological Sciences here at Cal State Fullerton.
The ARkstorm is really an extended period of atmospheric river storms hitting the coast again and again and again and again. It's not one storm. It's more the equivalent of maybe, a month of consistent large atmospheric rivers hitting the western United States. And so the ARkstorm, when the ARkstorm hits, we'll know it. Yeah, because it's going to be raining more or less on and off for weeks and weeks at a time, and that one storm that we had will be happening again and again and again. A storm like the ARkstorm should happen every several hundred to 500, maybe even at once every 1,000 years. But recent climate models suggest that that type of storm could happen 2 to 3 times a century now. And so that's a big deal if we start seeing an ARkstorm type scenario happening a couple times a century. I always tell people that our number one issue in Southern California, or in California, is not earthquakes, it's floods. But we tend to focus on the earthquakes, and it makes sense because there's faults everywhere. But it's the floods and their ability to cause statewide damage that are actually our biggest economic concern.
With catastrophic events on the horizon, SoCal residents should take precautions and get ready for the ARkstorm. With Cal State Fullerton News, I'm Julian Orozco.